Each license needs to submit to their relevant regulatory authorities. The penalty for not submitting on time is 100,000 dirhams. Hey everyone, before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button to stay updated on our weekly business and finance related content, which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs, and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. Hey everyone, today we'll be discussing regarding the UBO submissions and how this can be done for mainland companies. The Ministry of Economy has already requested all the licenses to make their submission for the UBO before the end of this month, which is the 30th of June 2021. Each license needs to submit to their relevant regulatory authorities. The penalty for not submitting on time is 100,000 dirhams. Most free zone licenses have already made their submission to the free zone authorities. If you haven't, you need to make sure you contact the free zone to make your submission. With respect to mainland licenses, the procedure to submit is slightly different for each emirate. We have curated a list of processes on how this can be done for you. Let's first get into Dubai Department of Economic Development. Dubai DED has requested all the licenses to make a submission before the 15th of June 2021. You would have already gotten an SMS from Dubai DED with a link to make this submission. This link is just for your company. You would need to click this link and verify the information mentioned and confirm the submission. Once this is done, your application is completed. If you have not gotten any SMS from Dubai DED on your registered mobile number, we recommend that you take a trade license copy and visit Dubai DED. Mention to them what number you need to get the SMS on. Once that is done, they will make sure that an SMS is sent to that number and you can then make the submission. Also keep in mind, once the SMS is sent, you only have 3 days to make this submission. With respect to Abu Dhabi DED, you will receive an email from ADED to the registered email address with a link to make the UBO submission. If you have not yet received this link or are having any technical problems, it's advisable to get in touch with Abu Dhabi DED. To make the UBO submission for Sharjah licenses, you would need to go on sedd.ae and click on Real Beneficiaries. This online process is fairly straightforward. Simply select the owners that are UBO and add any additional UBOs if they are not in the owners list, and then make the submission. Now let's get into Ras Al Khaimah DED. In order to submit the ultimate beneficiary details, you would need to visit one of the outsourced service centers to fill up and submit physical UBO forms provided by them. This is not an online submission. Hope from this video, you've been able to understand how you can make your UBO submission. Make sure your submission is made before the deadline to avoid any penalties. Hey everyone, you've reached the end of this video. Thank you all for listening. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like for us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next video.